Lifestyle of a tiger habitat. Tigers live in different types of places, like forests, grasslands, and swamps. They need areas with lots of trees and bushes to hide and hunt. Tigers are found in parts of Asia, including India, Russia, and Southeast Asia. Hunting tigers are strong hunters. They hunt alone, mostly at night. Tigers use their striped fur to blend into the surroundings and quietly sneak up on their prey. They hunt animals like deer, wild boars, and buffaloes. After a successful hunt, a tiger will drag its kill to a safe place to eat. Diet tigers are carnivores, which means they eat meat. They need large amounts of food to stay healthy and strong. A tiger can eat up to 60 pounds of meat in one night, but usually they eat about 12 pounds per day. Behavior tigers are solitary animals, meaning they like to live and hunt alone. Each tiger has its own territory, which it marks with urine and scratch marks on trees to keep other tigers away. Only mothers and their cubs live together until the cubs are old enough to be on their own. Reproduction. Female tigers give birth to 2 to 4 cubs at a time after a pregnancy of about 3.5 months. Tiger cubs are born blind and are very small and helpless. The mother tiger takes care of them, feeding them milk and teaching them how to hunt. Cubs stay with their mother for about 2 years. Communication. Tigers communicate with each other through sounds like roars, growls, and chuffs, a friendly noise. They also use body language, like facial expressions and tail movements, to express how they feel. Lifespan tigers can live up to 15-20 years in the wild.